What's going on, you guys? It's Trent Boy, and today I'm gonna teach you guys how to draw Pim from Smiling Friends. Grab yourself a sketchbook or something to draw in, and let's get started. So the first thing you need to know is every character is made of shapes. So when you look at Pim, a character like Pim, first things first is his head. You lightly sketch a circle. I say lightly sketch because since the characters are built up of shapes, you want to just break down all the shapes first and then go over it later, pressing harder or an ink or something like that to finalize what you actually want to keep. So the head is a circle, the body right underneath him is oval. There's a slight oval. His eyes are two circles, one is smaller and the other one overlaps, but it's larger. Just like that. His mouth breaks from his face, a U, a curved U, so he's smiling. Smiling Friends. On top of him, his head is a squiggle for his stem, his brain stem that's out. Back to building out the body. From here, the legs are two squares, just like that. Make another square going up on the pants, just like that, to show that his pants are there. And on the other side, the same thing. At the bottom of the body circle, make a line, a small U line to show the separation between the shirt and the pants. Back down here, we're going to do two little ovals to represent his feet, just like that. Now back up to the upper body to put in the arms. Rectangles are for his arms, and then a circle for the hand. Curved line to represent the shirt, and little ovals to represent his fingers. Remember, sketch lightly. It's all gonna come together soon, don't worry. And on the other hand, do the same thing, but also remember that this other arm is behind his body, so some things won't be shown in the final. The same rectangle, and then the square to represent the shirt at the bottom, and then the fingers are U's. Great. We're all on the same page. Now back up to the shirt. The shirt has a collar, so put two triangles for the collar of his shirt. Oh, also put for the mouth, put a line here to represent, the mouth being open. So you see that the mouth is open, and a circle or half circle inside the mouth to represent the tongue. All right, back down to the shirt. This is basically Pim. This whole figure is basically Pim. All right. Now we do a little tweaking here and there for details. Pim's body is more of a bean. You come in here and do a little indent, a small indent here, and then come right back out. Just like that. I may have made the indent a little too hard, but it's okay. You guys get the point. The square for the belt, and then two dashes on the sides to represent the belt loop, and then connect the bottom for the belt. And from this belt loop, bring it down. See, mistakes happen. This belt loop needs to be more over to make it make sense. And from this belt loop, bring it down for the seam of the pants. Two lines on the crotch area for the pants, and from this belt loop, another seam for the other side of the pants. And following where the bean intersection is, put where the button up is. A couple of dots to represent a fold, and a couple of dots to represent the buttons. And now we do the eyes. The eyes are just squiggles. His eyes are just squiggles. There's nothing much to it. Have fun with it. And then the other eye, just squiggles. And now this is Pim. So now you would get a pen and darken the lines that you actually like, that you want to keep. All right, and that's Pim from Smiling Friends. If this helped you in any way, shape, or form, or if you just drew along with me and you just wanted to watch, I appreciate you for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. All right, bye.